Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a hyperlink. So there are two ways. First is when you don't have many hyperlink, just one, which has to be created. So then it's pretty easy. So for example, Google is the text or the cell value which we have to convert into a hyperlink. So just right click on it and go to hyperlink option, and here just enter the address of the website. So for example, this would be http://www.google.com, and now you have the Google hyperlink created. Now suppose you're having multiple texts, for example Google, Being Skilled, Reddit, Instagram, and you want to create multiple such hyperlinks. Now one way is to go and right click on it and then go to hyperlink and then enter the web URL. But suppose you are having 100, 200 such names which you want to convert into a hyperlink, then what will you do? You will basically enter all the web addresses adjacent into the cell, and you have to ensure that you are having this http://www dot whatsoever is the website name. So in this case this is google.com. You can skip doing https because by default https will be added just in case website supports it, but not necessarily every website will support https. So http: is the most default way. Now this is Being Skilled, and then we have http://www.reddit.com. Without http:// it will throw an error. So to avoid getting the error, you have to enter the complete URL, and now you have to use the function called hyperlink. So equals to hyperlink, what is the word which you want to convert into hyperlink, comma the URL, which is this one, and now we have the hyperlink. But what is the issue? So understand, link location is this one. So this is the link location. So you have to use hyperlink brackets whatsoever is the link location, comma the name or the friendly name which you want to give to the hyperlink. So now this is the hyperlink. Now just pull it down and you have 4 hyperlinks. You can have you can just scroll it down and you will have so many hyperlinks. So this is the easiest way to create a hyperlink when you have hundreds or dozens of hyperlinks to create, and you must know the formula, which is hyperlink bracket starts and then the hyperlink URL and then the friendly name of whatever the hyperlink name should be. So these were the 2 ways of creating hyperlink in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.